head swap is done. Safe to say we're packed up. Wasn't able to get the CO7s on, so unless I find somebody to do the tires tomorrow, probably be rocking the DO6s again, which, I mean, that'll be okay. But yeah, so gonna give this next race a little gander, and we're gonna head out early tomorrow morning and go hang out with some friends.
Had a little bit of a rain shower this morning, but it looks like we're going to stay dry. Sun's out. Track drive looks good. So thank everybody for showing up. I'm gonna wait for an official call. Both hot rods laying down some licks right there in the finals. Come on, Chrissy! It's got to be tight. We're waiting on the call. Duval looked like he lost power about 600 foot out. The taillight shut off.
Well, I do believe I'm going to pack her up. Got put out in the second round, got greedy, Blown front struts, kind of a strike again, leaving any harder. So made some good passes, had a bunch of fun. So that is it.